So I, in effect, study the effects of bilingualism on brain structure and function. So specifically what I do is I look at how learning and using an additional language changes the structure of your brain and its function, which has a knock-on effect to several cognitive processes. Now, we might expect that an experience such as that is not a one-size-fits-all process. It's a complex and dynamic experience with a lot of permutations to its outcomes. So what I'm looking to do specifically is identify what it is about learning and using additional language that has these effects and how they manifest through time. I think there have been several highlights to my research, my doctoral research. I've been fortunate enough to publish in several peer-reviewed journals, which has been a great experience. I've also been able to present my work at several conferences, both nationally and internationally, including recently an invited talk in the Netherlands, which was a really nice experience, and a lot was gained by doing that. First and foremost, the facilities here are fantastic. You can even see one of them behind me. The people as well here to work with have been incredibly helpful, collegial, and I've learned a lot during my time from them. The graduate school has been incredibly supportive in several avenues. They, for example, organize a number of training courses which have been very helpful for my development as a researcher. But they've also been really generous with providing funding for my ability to travel to conferences internationally. This includes countries such as Japan, the United States, and several around Europe. If I go back to my first-year self, or really any first-year PhD student, my advice would be to embrace success and failure all the same. Things rarely go to plan, accidents happen, mistakes happen, and what you need to do is be able to learn from that and capitalize on that. These will be invaluable to your development as a researcher. They certainly were for me.